Hey love, so the first thing you're gonna need is a rag. You're gonna take that rag and you're gonna wet it with some hot water, okay? You're gonna squeeze all the extra water out and then you're gonna take that rag and you're gonna wipe your face. You right now what you're trying to do is pull all the extra oil out your face from when you've been running around in this hot sun all day. This shouldn't take long, but what you're looking for is your skin to feel clean. Okay, then you're gonna take that rag and you're gonna wipe your teeth off so you can make sure you get all that food or whatever if it's been stuck around in your teeth. Get all that off. Now you're gonna take a paper towel and you're gonna dry your face off. After you dry your face off, you're gonna take your moisturizer and you're gonna moisturize your face. Right now, I'm using a cocoa butter stick. I got this, if you're interested, from Family Dollar for 99 cents. Now I'm just taking a pencil and just touching up my eyebrows to fill them in. We're not trying to go all in here. We just trying to look put together. So we just gonna fill these brows in real quick. Now you're gonna take some mascara and give some love to them lashes, girl. Yes, show them lashes some love. Now we moving on to this hair. So now you're gonna take some water in your hands and put it all over your hair. Just wet your hair. Or you can use a spray bottle if you have that. But right now I'm trying to show you you can do it without having a spray bottle. So wet your hair, scoop some water up and put it on there. Then after you do that, hit them ends. And if you can't scoop enough, just let it run just a little bit over your ends of your hair under the faucet. Squeeze all that extra water out and then finger it through your hair. Now you're gonna take your favorite product, what you use in your hair. Right now I'm using some softy gel that I got from Dollar Tree, and you're gonna put this all around your edges, your whole head, all your edges, in the front and in the back, honey. You can't forget about that back. So load it up. Now you're just gonna take your brush and brush your hair into a sleek ponytail. Now I'm just taking some mousse and I'm gonna just put this on the ends of my hair. You can use whatever you like. Right here, I'm just going back in with a little bit more gel to make sure that my hair have no flyaways. If you want, it's an added step. You could do that. So I was looking in the mirror and my hair was looking so slick, and I just realized that I didn't like how my eyebrows was looking. They didn't look full, so I went back in and I filled them in. So if you get to the point where you see that, just go ahead on and fill them in some more. Remember, they ain't gotta be perfect. We just want them to look neat. Okay, so just go ahead on and make them look neat. Now you're gonna take your mascara again and you're gonna do a second coat. This second coat gonna make your lashes pop. Did you just see how much longer and thicker my lashes look right now after that second coat? That's what you need, a second coat. So go back in and do that second coat. And last but not least, honey, all you need now is your earrings. You're gonna pop them bad boys in and you all set. And if you wear lipstick or lip gloss or chapstick, now would be the time to put that on.